Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get first order discount on Zalando. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Zalando account, which of course you've done right here. And then next, I'm going to walk you through the process of creating your own account in Zalando. Launch on the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type zalando.com. That's going to take you to the official website for Zalando. Once you get into the website, go ahead and locate the sign up button, follow through the on-screen prompt to create your account. Now, after creating your account, that's going to take you to this official homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Zalando. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's tax experiment. Simple: how to get the first order discount in Zalando. Okay, so there's a website for that, which is where we're going to get into shortly. So this is Zalando discount code, 50% off in December 2023 on Daily Mail. So go ahead and click that up. It's going to take you to Daily Mail, where you're going to see a lot of discount codes that you can definitely use at checkout. So this is Zalando, beautiful active Zalando discount code for December 2023. Count your savings with our tested Zalando voucher codes in the UK. So I'm going to click on accept all, and then you have this 15% off verified, and then you have 10% off, 15% off, whichever code that you have. Code 6 deal 17 free delivery verified A. So let's say this 15% off is you take an extra 50% off all off orders over 30 euros by using this Zalando discount code. So go ahead and click on C code, and once you click on C code, let's see what's going to open up. Okay, so this is the code, right? Give 15. So go ahead and click on copy code. So click on copy code. It says code copy. That's awesome. So from here, head over to Zalando, and once you head over to Zalando, you can now select the product that you want to buy. All right, so select the product that you want to buy, and click on add to bag. So click on add to bag. So I'm just going to click on medium. That's fine. I've chosen my size. So now that we're here, see that has been added to bag. So I'm just going to click on my bag. This is my bag, this icon right here. And then I'm going to, so this is my bag, and click on go to bag. So remember, I have already copied my code. So now it says add a voucher. So open that up, and then you're going to enter your discount code. So I'm going to do Control V. So you can click on redeem if that's going to be redeemable. It says it does not exist. Try entering the code again. So you can go ahead to this and then select. So it says did it work? No, it didn't work. It didn't work. It didn't work. So you can select other codes to see if they're going to work. Then if they work, then that's fine. I'm going to use that here. Once you click that there, click it here.